नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
This is nothing but pakoda politics being practiced by BJP. And the Prime Minister in Davos rightly said that I have removed red tape and we have laid red carpet. But the Prime Minister's party and the Prime Minister have laid a red carpet for these people who are indulging in violence against small children, who are burning down properties, who have become a law unto themselves, who have become a parallel power center. And all this is happening because of the tacit support of BJP. And BJP and Mr. Prime Minister has meekly surrendered. In fact, they have capitulated in front of these people. That so-called big 56-inch chest is no more. It is only for Muslims. Look at the biasness of their approach, that without even consulting any Muslim member from his own cabinet, without even putting in public domain, without even asking any Muslim organization or women organization, the government is bulldozing the Triple Talaq bill. But when it comes to this film, the name has been changed, scenes have been cut, and to satisfy the sentiments of some people, even the midriff of the heroine has been covered. What kind of politics is this? This clearly shows that this government has meekly surrendered to its ideology.